Most new sellers on Amazon do not fail because Amazon is a hard business. They fail because they choose the wrong first product, and that is expensive. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5-step framework to choosing the right first product to launch on Amazon in the UAE. And make sure you watch the video till the end, because I have a bonus tip to share with you about a key product mistake that most sellers make. Let's get to work. Now, a lot of sellers think it's enough to sell a product that has demand. But in this video, you will realize that margins is where sellers get destroyed. Let's get started with step number 1. Follow the search and not your feelings. The first product, your winning product that you want to sell on Amazon, should be based on what customers want and not your personal taste. Basic question that you should be asking yourself: are people actually searching for this product that you intend to sell? Remember, the UAE is one of the strongest digital markets in the region, with over 90% internet penetration and more than 11 million internet users. So, since these customers are all online and they are looking for particular products, that's the type of product that you want to sell on a marketplace that mimics a search engine like Google, like Amazon. Remember, the concept of selling on Amazon is not inventing demand, but actually tapping into it. The quickest way to check demand for a particular product that you want to sell is to utilize a tool like Helium-10, and in particular a feature called Cerebro Plus Magnet. I'm in the page, I've selected the marketplace, which is Amazon UAE. I'm just going to add whatever I want to try to sell on Amazon, let's say kitchen organizer. And then I'm going to basically get keywords. Within a few seconds, as you can see, Cerebro Plus Magnet will fetch the search volume for this particular keyword or any other keyword that is related to it. And there we go. So the keyword kitchen organizer, which is somewhat of a broad keyword, I'm sure you guys know, has a search volume of almost 2,714 searches per month, making it very good keyword, making this product have a lot of demand. However, take into consideration that this is somewhat of a broad keyword, meaning a kitchen organizer can be so many different products. But with that being said, also Magnet and this feature will give you different types of keywords that are related to this keyword. Maybe some of them actually have better search volume. So if you're interested in search volume, as we are today in this explanation, then we'll click on search volume so that we can get highest to lowest. Now it's giving us different keywords such as kitchen appliances, home storage and organization, kitchen organizer. In fact, home storage and organization has much higher search volume than kitchen organizer. Kitchen towel, bathroom organizer. Maybe you hadn't considered selling kitchen towels, which is a much more focused type of product than the keyword kitchen organizer, which leads to different types of products and not necessarily one particular product, like a water bottle as an example, or a sponge, or a makeup organizer. All of them, you can see the demand, and this way you will know that whatever product you will launch actually has customers that are searching for it. Now, step number 2 out of 5, stay out of the red zone. Now, here's where beginners get it wrong. They are excited about a certain product that they choose, but they fail to check some key elements that might be detrimental. Number 1, is the product fragile? Is it bulky? Is it restricted? Does it require governmental approval for you to import it and to sell it on Amazon? Amazon UAE's seller guidelines clearly note certain categories or products within categories require additional approval, and that approval will require additional documents such as certificates from the Dubai municipality as an example, which might make it a little bit complicated if you are a new seller just looking to launch your very first product. And a lot of sellers actually do end up ordering the product and then trying to sell it on Amazon, only to realize that they do not have the compliance documents and their manufacturers also cannot provide
provide those documents. Therefore, remember, if this is your first product, the product needs to be simple. Simple to list, simple to ship, and simple to understand by the customer.
When considering selling products on Amazon, like I said, you want to avoid red flag items such as food, cosmetics, beauty products, any types of toys, because all of those are considered consumable.
So now that we are almost in step number 3, you have an idea about the things that you need to do in order to select the right product. But trust me, some sellers choose products that have demand, but still they have terrible results on Amazon. And that's where margins play in. But before I continue, if you want further information, you will find a downloadable PDF that contains all of the information that I'm talking about in this video, linked in the description box of this video. And if you are a budding entrepreneur and you're looking to get started selling your products on Amazon and you want to avoid all of these mistakes, then do reach out to me and the team. You can go to our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, find out about all of our programs and book a call to talk to us. And congratulations to the winner of this episode. You have won a consultation call with me where we can talk about everything Amazon related. If you also want to be a winner in the next video, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And now, step number 3 out of 5, run the money test. This is the step that protects your cash. It's very important for you to understand what are the seller fees when you want to sell any particular product on Amazon. As an example, the first type of fee that you would need to pay Amazon when you sell a product is a referral fee. And the referral fees in the UAE are anywhere between 4.5 and 15%. So let's assume you want to sell a product at 79 dirhams. If your referral fee is 15%, that's almost 12 dirhams out of the 79. And that's only the referral fee. We haven't taken into consideration the FBA fee, the cost of the product, shipping the product to the UAE, any potential VAT that you need to pay, ads, so many different things. So what ends up happening is you get excited about the product, you don't even think about the cost, you buy the product only to realize that it doesn't have proper margins. Therefore, never fall in love with a product unless you do the calculations and the math first. Step number 4 out of 5, read the battlefield. Now you need to open Amazon and check it like a detective. So you want to see your current competitors. How many reviews do they have? Are their images strong or weak? Are the titles keyword rich or messy? Is there like really strong branding or brand names, or are all sellers just look very much similar and blending in? Because what you intentionally want to look for is that there's strong demand for the product, but the competitors are somewhat weak. That is where you can have an opening to come in and try to get some sales. Technically, you don't want a dead market. The concept of finding a product that has huge demand but no competition no longer exists in today's e-commerce, so much rapid, fast e-commerce market. You want to look for a market that is beatable. Step number 5 out of 5. This is also a very important step, and this is where a lot of sellers make a mistake. Start small and then scale. Do not start with a giant inventory order. Even if your manufacturer has a high MOQ, you can still find a solution around it. Start with a smart test. And by the way, Amazon in the UAE has so many incentive programs for SMEs, for small to medium-sized sellers that are coming into Amazon. Most notably, the Dubai Traders program. I'll keep the link of the program in the description box of this video if you want to learn a little bit more about it. So I know you're excited, but the concept of this step is that the first launch of your product, especially if you are a new seller, should not be a giant one. Intentionally, what you want to do is launch small, learn fast, fix fast, and then scale the product if the numbers align and you find that the product is succeeding. Now, if you're still watching up until now, Thank you so much for your support. That's why I'm going to give you an additional bonus tip. And this is going to be somewhat controversial, but what you want to sell, especially if this is your first product, is a boring product. Almost everyone wants to sell a trending product, something that's going viral on TikTok. But in reality, the best performing products are the boring products, as they have steady demand and make sure that they have healthy margins. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now make sure to learn a little bit more about Amazon Saudi Arabia, UAE versus Amazon US, which is the better marketplace for you. You can find all of the information in this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.